So glad we came. That is beautiful. Bars on the outside, making sure you cannot get in. So guys, for the average person, Harrison's Point is not accessible to climb up. I mean, you could adventure around. So what does it take to plan a trip for my future friends coming to Barbados? I'm going to show you what happens behind the scenes to bring it all together. Looking for locations, making sure the attractions, making sure the roads are good when it comes to planning a trip for friends, family, new friends, future friends to Barbados. So let's go. I think further down. Huh? Door, okay. The hurricane caused all of this? The hurricane caused all this? Yeah. Okay, if you should so bad, sure. What am I doing? I'm confused. Door, detour. Okay, here we go. I don't want to shop. Hello?
Hello. Right here, Mom.
How are you?
Right here. Where you coming?
No, I didn't.
Now, wonder why.
Sir, where's your food?
No.
You don't serve food no more?
No. But if you go across, it says breadfruit tree.
Uh-huh.
The next breadfruit tree.
Uh-huh.
You get food over there. On the same hand.
You got bitches.
Yeah.
I give you that one.
Yeah.
Thank you,
And I didn't give you a coat.
You Okay, I'm looking for this breadfruit tree. Where is this? The second breadfruit tree. Not the first. The second breadfruit tree. That's food there. Like close too?
Yeah.
Or is it not that close? Oh my gosh. This is why you have to take a little trip around and make sure you know all the roads, because this is not what the map says. It does not say that road is closed. So now we gotta find a way around to get to North Point. Let's see. So this road here is not in service, and we're gonna have to take this road around to get, come on light, to get to North Point. Back there with star fruit.
If they claim it, you want to call it a hill.
Okay, so we're making our way up Farley Hill. Farley Hill here to the left, and the wildlife reserve to the right. Actually a lot of roads that most people don't know about, they haven't driven, so it's good to take a day and adventure through Barbados. Even as a local, you guys can do it too. To get that, I guess I've never been here before. This is odd. Yeah. Random house in the middle of nowhere. Lots of goats around it. I have the right location, but so far it says we are going right.
Yeah, I didn't see another house.
The goal was to get to St. Lucie, North Point St. Lucie, which has a lighthouse. This lighthouse is a great attraction for persons coming to Barbados and for adventurers, local and international. But my I may have put in the wrong location, or Google Maps is messing with me. I don't know which one it is, but we're gonna take a little walk, come right to the edge, and see if we can see the lighthouse from the edge. And E will figure it out because I am just the host and a tourist. I'm your local tourist, and don't forget to subscribe and see more shenanigans. I don't see a lighthouse anywhere. It's kind of worth it. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I'm so glad we came. That is beautiful.
There's fish here and also fish for sharks.
Fish for sharks? Nice, so that's what the poles are. So these poles are for the fishing line, fishing rod. It's beautiful. Okay, don't go too close. Sprinter will not go too close. Unless she wants to see if there's a cave right there. That's so cool.
Some guys also your thing guys is diving there.
Really? That's so cool. Oh, look, a boat. Gosh. It doesn't even look like a boat, but it's a boat. It looked like a speck of water. Oh, I was zoomed in. That's why you can see very much. Still beautiful. Ow, that's good stuff. Meow. My goodness. I can hear it, but I can't see it.
This is what we call a real shark.
That is a shark. Oh, that's so deep. I cannot even see the bottom. All right. Honestly, use your intuition when using Google Maps in Barbados because she'll be sending you through some campfields. So the lighthouse is not the most northern point in St. Lucie. It is Harrison's Point Lighthouse. For those who are trying to find the lighthouse that will show you like the ocean and you're supposed to see this grand view, you can go up in the lighthouse and adventure and stuff. Be careful. It is not the most northern point. It is kind of western-ish. So yeah, just a little bit of a tip. Woo! Here we have once was the center lighthouse, North Harrison's Point Lighthouse. We have arrived. It's made it to Harrison's Point Lighthouse. All the way up there. Tracking wants to stick on me rather than show the view above. I'll insert it right here. So yeah, let's make sure this is safe. I've seen people do this. It's a little scary, but we can do this. We can do this. And we did check. See? God damn it. People used to use their drones and all kinds of stuff up here.
Yeah, somebody had to be listening.
Yeah, it's just all locked down, people. That is a heck of a door. You're not allowed to get in there at all. It's on the inside and then bars on the outside, making sure you cannot get in. So guys, for the average person, Harrison's Point is not accessible to climb up. I mean, you could adventure around.
What if we leave the raw people in there?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Going down Farley Hill versus going up. Completely different, obviously. But we are not using any acceleration.
Just brakes.
It's just brakes, and literally trying not to like burn out the brakes. Going down is crazy. It's like really fast. I hope you can hear me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I hope you can hear me. After that disappointing but successful trip to Harrison's Point Lighthouse, where we learned it is not an option to go up into the lighthouse, we are on our way to the East Coast to look at St. Lawrence Castle, Harrismith, to see if there's anything you can do, like a little bit of adventuring. We want authentic, really like, what's the word? Raw Barbados, not like the curated places I will not mention because we don't want cause no issues. We want to give them the raw Barbados, so that's the next place. Okay, so we're taking a quick little detour to see if we can find anything cool, interesting. It's beautiful though. Oh gosh, the path and the greens and the blues. It's gorgeous. So bad. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Oh no, you're from Bumble.
Look at that view. Road closed. Very big palm tree. So we are almost to St. Lawrence Castle. We're going to see if the ruins is accessible. Fingers crossed. Let's not have another mishap. And then it's Harrismith. Maybe we can find something to eat, get some good local food. So yeah, keep watching.
It's not.
We'll keep going and ask the question. This is the way to the old lighthouse. So this is probably where their offices are now. We'll try that way, yeah. It's adventure. Why can't I see any of the old St. Lawrence? So we're trying to figure out where exactly is the old ruins for St. Lawrence Castle. I'm surprised that you're not even seeing like the top of it over the trees. There's some kind of like, they've created some kind of like stairway system, but for what use? What is the stairs to? Maybe the stairs is to the old building. Okay, so here she is. The real St. Lawrence Castle. So glad you're able to get to it, that they haven't completely corded it off. They do plan to do stuff, make it into a museum. The goal here is to confirm you can actually, no you can. They have corded it off. The most you can do is come and see it again, like the lighthouse. The days of adventuring ruins in Barbados seems to have been gone. Imagine it. I'm gonna put up a photo of what it looked like in its grand time right here. found the door. So we can still do a little bit of adventuring. Yeah? It's open. So you can, it's not necessarily to like go deep in it, but you can get an idea as to what life was like. It's beautiful in here though. I love old architecture. Absolutely love it. This looks like it was a fireplace. But no, it couldn't be a fireplace. Why would this be here? Underneath the stairs?
Storage.
Ah. Okay, so you're here in St. Philip. You're probably going to Sam Lars Castle, Shark Hole, maybe the Crane, and you want some place to stop and grab some food. I would recommend here at Ballet Bar and Restaurant. It's opposite this greenish, tealish green shop with Shirley biscuit all over it. Before you get to Shark Hole, before you get to Sam Lars Castle. So if you pass it, you got to come back up. So look for this shop, and it's this color house right here. Yeah, so you can get some good old Bajan food. They do fish cutters and like fish cakes, but from what I can see, it's only on a Friday. But here's the menu. You've got rice and peas, shepherd's pie, cornmeal cocoa, frizzled saltfish, baked lamb, baked pork, baked chicken, baked, and they got some sauce and bourgeois on Saturdays. Real Bajan food, people. So this is where you're going to come when you want to get your food after you've been, what are my words? After you have been adventuring on the East Coast, come and grab some food right here. Right, it says Bottom Bay Road that you're going through, and that's how you get to Harrismith. This is the smoothest. Sir, where you going so fast? Take your time. This is the smoothest, easiest road to Harrismith. All right, shut up now. You want to know where you're going? Harrismith is over there, and the beach, Bottom Bay, is down here. I'll try to insert some information on the history of this mansion. Is this a mansion? Guess it is. There's a lot more than just the ruins here to come to. There's a beautiful beach down below, both sections. So if you're interested in history, you like adventuring, come and take a quick look around. Be careful. As you can see, you've seen better days. But around there, down through there, you will find a beach. There's so much that goes into planning a trip for new friends and visitors to Barbados. So if you guys want to see what the trip turned out to be, stay tuned for the next video. The link is in the description and in the eye right here. So see you in the next one. Bye.